Let's have a little bit of tour of Avalanche and let's see what's up there. Let me show you. Here you go, you have the cottages. I'm sure there's a person sleeping here. This is a nice place to sleep though. This is the forest I was talking about. Um, I'm sure I won't go inside there, but let me see. This is wonderful. You have the grass well trimmed, and this place is maintained really well. This is a parking spot. We just parked our vehicle, and let me see if I can go there outside and see what is there. Here we go. This is a fantastic place for picnic, staying over. I think that's the safari counter. That's a ticket counter out there. Shortly, I'll just inquire how much is the ticket for it and what are the safari rides we have here. There is a place where you can have some food. It's like a canteen out there. Maybe we can go there. It not looks so good, but any food will do because we need to travel a lot of distance to get a restaurant nearby. So here you go. I hope you enjoy the view. This is how it looks like. This is called Avalanche, and you have Avalanche Lake, and you have the Avalanche Forest, and and a safari ride. It's a good place to visit, and I think next time we'll come here and spend more quality time here. It's good. It's a good experience to come here, at least to see there's a place like this. Maybe next time we have a tour here. Maybe stay over here. It should be a quite decent place to stay. Okay, guys. Let me see if I can go towards the lake or towards the jungle. Then I will cover some videos there. Till then, bye. See ya.